wangibelithuna uphila, wakujova ungacelanga, wakuvaccinate ngomjovo obolile, wakuvalisa amakhala nomlomo kanye kanye, wathi phefumula i-carbon dioxide ne-oxygen konke ndawonye kube i-carbon dioxide. Bana kumxolela ugovernment wakho ukuthi wayenza leyo nto kuwe, wakuvalela isonto wathi ungasonti ihlala endlini, wavala indlu kaNkulunkulu wathi ungayi kuyo, ubajabula lapho bethi kimi masiye endlini kaJehova awusa-exist, wakhipha izwi elalikhona. Kufanele kumxolele ugovernment wakho ukuthi wenza njalo, kodwa mhla ka-29 May wenze sure ukuthi he suffered the consequence of what he did. The principle of touch on them and say find grace. No, you have to forgive your government ukuthi uneminyaka emingaka kwakazi usebenza ngoba amathuba omsebenzi awekho. Kodwa abantu bangaphandle yibo abasebenzayo. Mina umxolela ukuthi wafunda kanzima, wagraduate kodwa uqashiwe. Kodwa abantu bangaphandle baqashiwe South Africa. Mina umxolela, God forgives. And he is asking you to have that grace to forgive. Forgive your government for that. You want everything that was given to you by grace to come to you. Forgive your government for that. But let the government, let the principle of suffering the consequence, let him feel it on the 29th of May.